AppSumo launched 6 new deals today, and I'm going to tell you what they are. I did find a handful of gems. Now, I ranked all of the deals according to what is really catching my eye and I think worth buying. If you want to check out my official rankings, that is down in the description below. Now, if you are on the hunt for the best software you can use to grow your business, I have my private Notion doc of my must-have SaaS tools for digital entrepreneurs. Now, I update this on a regular basis of the best tools I find and I personally use. If you want free access, my link is down in the description below. ConveyThis helps you translate your site into multiple languages. This could be useful for e-commerce sites, so it'll dynamically translate all of your product descriptions, reviews, blog posts, and other content. You could use this for local SEO optimization, and there's also visual content adaptation as well. They also have tons of integrations such as WordPress, Shopify, and BigCommerce. So I think this tool is great if you want to get more traffic from an international audience. You can grab lifetime access starting at $59 for license tier 1. I would say the language limits are a little low. With tier 1, you only get 1 language. Tier 2 gives you 3 languages, and it goes higher from there. They do limit you pretty heavily with tier 1 and 2 in terms of the domains you can connect with this tool. Now, if you want more limits and the ability to include team members and URL translation, you would need to get tier 2. And if you want to export and import your CSV and TMX files, you would need to get tier 3 or higher. Greta lets you build apps and websites using both code and visual editing. You can start projects from GitHub, your own prompts, templates, and edit them live. This helps you move from your idea phase over to a working project more quickly. You can grab lifetime access starting at $59 for license tier 1. Now, if you want the custom domain and Stripe integration, you would need to get tier 2. And the credits per month, which are used to interact with Greta Code Agent, will increase the higher tiers you go. And tier 4 is the highest. Now, this is a plus exclusive. So if you want to grab the highest tier with the most credits per month, you would need to be a plus member. Now, you do have the option to purchase one-off credits if you go over. So that way you can continue using the tool if you go over your lifetime limits. Now, this tool is called a Lunacal. So you connect your Google, Outlook, or Apple calendars and set up a booking page like these that totally matches your brand. It lets you share links, send reminders, even collect info before meetings, and schedule them as a team with round robin or even group options. So really this tool saves you time so you don't have to, deal with the back and forth emails and messaging. Lifetime access starts at $59. If you want to increase the number of users to this tool, you would need to go for a higher tier. And if you want the custom subdomain for your booking pages, then you would need to get the highest tier, tier 3. Rhym is a tool that helps you make interactive games and quizzes for your websites or even ads. So you pick a template, you tweak it to fit your brand, and then you publish it across different channels like Instagram, WhatsApp, or even on your site. It also lets you collect info from users and track how each campaign is doing. So a cool tool to engage your audience and boost your sales. Rhym is currently an AppSumo Plus exclusive, and this one starts at $69. Now, if you want access to all of these features, you would need to get tier 3. And it is nice with tier 3, they also give you unlimited CNAME as well. WPSubscription lets you sell products and services with automatic recurring payments on your WooCommerce store. You can set up subscriptions with free trials, handle renewals, and let people upgrade, downgrade, or cancel whenever they want to. It works with payment methods like Stripe and PayPal and tracks every subscription and payments for you. I think this tool saves you a lot of time and makes it easier to keep your customers paying regularly. Lifetime access starts at $59 and you could use it with one website. Tier 2 gives you 5 websites, and if you want to use it on unlimited websites, that would be Tier 3. Zemith is a platform that lets you access different AI models for chatting, writing, searching, even coding, and making images. A few months ago, I did record and publish a full Zemith review, and I'll include that in the description below. You can upload documents, turn them into podcasts or quizzes, and use AI to help with notes or summaries. It also has tools for editing images, brainstorming, and even live chat. So you can share your screen and chat in real time. So this means you can handle a bunch of your tasks way faster and skip switching between a bunch of separate AI apps. Zemith is currently an AppSumo Plus exclusive, and this one starts at $59 for lifetime access. I would recommend Tier 2 because it does give you increased monthly credits, and you even get unlimited usage with Tier 2 because you can use Gemini 1.5 Flash, 2.0 Flash, and Flash Lite, and you also get basically all of the features in this deal. If you want to know which tools I highly recommend, which ones are really catching my eye, I put my official rankings down in the description below.